Hello and welcome. My name is Mr. Schoonover and I'm going to be your professor for World Civilizations 1 this summer. Again, this is a 12-week course covering the beginning of man up until basically 1500. I'm going to give you a little information about myself and about the course. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email any concerns or questions you may have for the course. A little bit about myself. I have a master's degree in history from Bowling Green State University. I live near Bowling Green with my wife and son. On the day-to-day, I actually teach high school classes at Toledo School for the Arts, and then work as an adjunct professor for Terra. The course itself, again, it's a very fast course. We only have 12 weeks together, and we're going to be covering the entire book during that time, which again consists of 12 chapters. So again, make sure you have the book. Make sure you're doing the weekly readings. Every single week is going to be structured basically the same. So every single Thursday, you will need to make a post. On those posts, you'll find the discussion posts on there. Again, this is kind of our way to communicate with each other. We're not in a classroom. We don't get to see each other. So this is our way to talk a little bit, have you do some brainstorming, kind of think critically about some of the issues we're looking at, and then kind of interact with each other. So again, every Thursday, you're going to make your original post. Every Friday, you're going to take a quiz over that week's readings. Then by Sunday, when everyone posts on Thursday, you're going to go back and find two people that posted, and you're going to respond. You're going to have a conversation. Again, this shouldn't be something cheesy like, hey, I think that was a really good post. I want it to be a little bit deeper. I agree, I disagree, here's what I think, here's why I came to a different conclusion. Again, this is to stimulate as much as possible what would be happening in a classroom when I called on students and we had class discussion. So again, every week, original post on Thursday, quiz on Friday, and then responses by Sunday. And again, every week will look exactly like that except for midterm and finals week. So the midterm will happen about halfway through, and obviously our final exam will be happening in the last week. The easiest way to contact me is via email. It's tschhoon01@terra.edu. So again, if you have any questions, comments, or anything of the like, feel free to email me. That is your best way to get a response. And again, make sure that you're staying on top of everything that happens. We're going to be writing some papers kind of sprinkled in there. So again, the first paper is up and available to you. Take a look at it. If you have any questions, just kind of briefly, what you're doing is reviewing a book. So you need to find a nonfiction book, you need to read it, and then you need to review it. Again, you're not writing a summary. I don't need to know what the book specifically said. I want you to review the book. Was it a good example of historical writing? When you look at the paper, the rubric for that, you're going to notice that there are 9 bullet points. Each of those bullet points should be its own paragraph. So again, your paper is literally going to consist of 9 paragraphs, answering each one of those prompts. So again, if you have any questions over that, please let me know. But again, the sooner you can find a book, the sooner you can get reading that, the easier your life is going to be. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, and welcome to World Civilizations 1.